Heart's beating. Please be. Ah! Oh my god! Yes! Nora! Oh my god! Oh my god!
It has a shadow. It has a shadow. The cut is bad and shadow. It's not worth shit. I could get this at my local store for $250.
God, oh my god! No way!
Oh my god, I have goosebumps!
Oh my god, no way! You pull all of them. No way! Oh my god!
Look at the cut on this. Holy dog shit. Look at it. Fat left side, fat bottom side, bad.
I can't believe
The centering is dog shit.
No way! Oh my god!
Ah!
Look at all of them. Dude, fuck you.
He said it could be worth 8K, no shot. It's 10K for this? Wait, this reprint box is 10K? Oh man, this is insane. That is such a scamaz. I cannot believe it. It's not worth shit. Guys, it's a reprint.